video, back. And today I'm here with another hair tutorial. And I have this beautiful braided wig. Like, this wig is so beautiful. Whoever made this wig, you literally took your time and you have blessed hands, obviously. But yeah, guys, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into the video on how I install this beautiful wig. Okay, guys, so I already put the wig cap on. So now what I'm gonna do is tint the wig cap, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut this off. So yeah, just continue watching the video so they can actually see. You know, it's supposed to be like scalp. So I'm gonna take it all the way back, just like that. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut off all of that lace right there. Okay, guys, so I got the wig cap all down and everything like that. Now I'm gonna show you guys the actual wig. This is the braided wig. It's so cute. Like, whoever braided this wig, they did an absolutely amazing job. So this is a wig. I'm gonna leave all the details on the wig in the description box. The wig is from KALYSS. I think it says KALYSS or KALYSS. And it's a premium synthetic hair wig, but the wig is just amazing. They got hair care instructions on the back and everything, so you won't go wrong with this wig. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is tint the lace. So the lace is a tad bit darker than me, so what I'm gonna do is apply some light concealer. So when the lace is like too dark, you want to apply a concealer that's just a tad bit lighter than your skin complexion, because you want it to kind of match. If you were to put your actual skin color on there, it will honestly make the lace darker. So what you want to do is just add a cream concealer that's like a shade up from you. So yeah, I'm just putting it on here, like literally on the lace, just so that it gives it a natural look. And then I'm going to glue down my wig and do the baby hairs, and we just gonna see how this comes out. But so far so good. I washed the wig and everything just to make sure, you know, everything was clean. It came perfectly packaged and everything. So literally all I'm doing now, perfecting that lace color to match me, and then I'm good to go. All right, so now it's time to go ahead and do the fitting of the wig. So let's see how she's fitting on her head. All right, guys. So, you know, in the back, they have the adjustable strap, and they also have the comb in the back to like hook onto the back of your braids, just to make sure, you know, it's real snug and secure how you like it. Sometimes I don't like the back thingies because my head is just so gigantic. It's just so big. So sometimes it just makes the wig too snug. But we all got different size heads, so just make it to where you like it. All right, guys, so we're ready to apply our wig. So let's put it on. So guys, the bun is at the top because that's how the wig is actually made. They put the braids up and then going up, you know, towards that part. So the braids are made like that. And y'all, this braided wig looks real nice. So I'm just gonna fit it to my head. And of course you're gonna have to cut the sides and everything like that, because you want it to fit, you know, exactly on your head. So go ahead and glue the wig down, and then we're just gonna go from there. So I think this is pretty much the positioning that I want though. So now what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and glue her down real quick. I'm only gonna put like 2 layers maybe, because I don't want to do too much, but I also want it to be glued down nicely. So yeah, let's just see what I'm gonna do. First of all, I need to cut the flaps. Alright, so I'm gonna just go ahead and glue her down. And I don't want to use a lot of glue because it's just not needed. So I'm just gonna do small layers. So I'm gonna use like 2 layers of glue. I'm gonna just put it on my finger and apply it. So this is our first layer, and then we're going to apply the second layer once this layer turns partly clear. Y'all, this wig is cute already.
You might wanna hear this. I'm so done with you, cause you are such a fool. You wouldn't even know if it was in your face. Boy, you are so fucked.
Okay guys, so now it's time to go ahead and lay it. So literally, if the sides can't tack them down with.
It wasn't the first time, but it will be the last. To speak in my mind, you didn't listen every time. I didn't wanna go.
Okay guys, so now it's time to cut the lace off. So let's just cut the lace. Be really careful not to cut the baby hairs off because we like the baby hair. And we want the baby hair. So cutting the lace off. See, we still got our baby hair, so that's good. Okay, time to make the baby hairs. Time to make the baby hairs. Alright, so I'm gonna use my She Balm goo, and I'm just gonna sculpt them how I want them to lay. Then I'm gonna put my scarf on. gotta have your foam because the foam is gonna help it lay. Seriously. So you gotta have your foam. And then tie it like real tight. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Remember, I will leave all the details to this beautiful wig in the description box below. I love you guys. Mwah.